Good day. So these two graphs show predictions of the first one shows predictions of the next coming months. As you can see, it shows that the views will decline as the months go by. And then this one shows weekly predictions. It shows that from Sunday to Saturday, the lowest views will be recorded on Thursdays and Saturdays, and then the highest views will be on Friday. So I'm going to run all of the chunks. It's gonna take a few minutes. Yes, so this is the first window that I created, showing the data visualization, and then this one showed the map, and then this one the statistical visualization. It's basically a pivot table where I can move this. Okay, here it shows the count for number of games that were viewed in each country. So let's say you just want to view like the major interests of from country to country. You can view the tree map, so you can see that athletics is watched the most, followed by swimming. And then you can change this, and which country views the most. You can see that it's USA. And then we can go back to the heat map. If you want to see, let's say, the most viewed game by a certain country, let's choose the US. Let's go back and choose the US. And let me just do this. You can play USA, then apply this. Hello. USA. Yeah, so you can see that here it shows the number of views for each game, and athletics has the most views as compared to all the other games. You can also change this and go to maybe the bar graph. You see, and these are the games, and then it shows when you hover over it, it shows you the name of the game and also the name of the country and number of views. Let me change this to state. Go like so. Since it's only one country, it's going to show one bar that is tagged with the games. Let me see if when you choose more countries, let's say Algeria, maybe, and then apply this. Yeah, you get Albania, Algeria, Australia, and USA. Yes. Moving on to the next window, we have the summary reports. It basically shows the average views per day and month, as well as the maximum views per day and month. So here they are. And then we go to prediction. It shows all the graphs that I ran previously. And here is the first graph that actually shows the predictions. Yes. And then this is just the about window. So I've already published this this dashboard in ShinyApp.io. And thank you for watching. That's it. It's a wrap.